Okay, this question we have to prove that the left side is equal to the right side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prove that the left side is going to be equal to the right side. So I'm going to rewrite the left side again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert these inverse identities to regular trig identities. So cosecant is equal to 1 over sine of u plus 1 over, and cotangent is equal to cos squared of u over sine squared of u. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by the numerator but with the opposing sign. So it's going to be 1 over sine of u minus 1 over 1 over sine of u minus 1. Let's just put this in brackets so that we don't get these mixed up. So the next step is I'm going to multiply the numerator, these two factors. So that's going to give us 1 over sine squared of u minus 1 over cos squared of u over sine squared of u multiplied by 1 over sine of u minus 1. And then what we need to do is we need to, instead of dividing it, we need to convert it to a multiplication form. And before I do that, for the numerator, I'm going to get the common denominator for 1. So what I'm going to do is to the 1, I'm going to multiply it by sine squared of u over sine squared of u, which will give me 1 minus sine squared of u over sine squared of u divided by cos squared of u over sine squared of u multiplied by 1 over sine u minus 1. So now I'll convert that to multiplication forms, which will give us, and we know that 1 minus sine squared is equal to the identity of cos squared of u, so I'll cross that out. So our numerator is cos squared of u over sine squared of u multiplied by the reciprocal of the denominator, which will be sine squared of u over cos squared of u, which would be, you know what I forgot to do was, we need to get a common denominator of this, for the denominator also. So that would be sine squared of u, which is the common denominator for that fraction, over 1 minus sine of u, bracket. So as you can see that the cos squared of u are going to cancel out, sine squared of u are going to cancel out, and what we're left with is that sine of u, so wrote it a little bit neater, over 1 minus sine of u, which is equal to the right side.